Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Keypad entry door lock. So we got to break the seal right here. We got to open it up. Let's see exactly what comes in it. Installation guide, template. Let's get everything out of the box. All right, looks like we have the door handle. This is the keypad. That's what it looks like. There's like a big rubber seal. Here's the other side of the door handle. Keyed, and here's the other side like that. All right, here's where the batteries are going to go. All right, that's everything in the box. A bunch of hardware, it looks like. Oh yeah, all kinds of hardware. Some screws, the really long screws. It does come with a set of keys. Two keys. Here's this. This has the batteries in it. Looks like you got to slide that out. 4 AA batteries. Got some codes here too. Oh, that's how to use it, how to set the codes. This should slide in on these tracks right here. Yeah, it should go in a little easier. Yeah. All right, there's everything that comes in the box. Pretty excited to put this on. Template. If you do have to drill the holes, thankfully I don't have to drill the holes. And safety and installation guide. So yeah, lots of information here. How to install it. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.